Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Creedence Revival is probably one of the most iconic rock bands of the late 20th century, famed for their swamp rock sound, and this video will dive into their history, musical style, major influences, and the lasting impact they've had on rock music, exploring why they remain relevant and influential even today, showcasing their best albums and songs, and discussing their unique place in music history, making you appreciate their timeless appeal. Number 5. Royal Albert Hall Show. Welcome to the iconic Royal Albert Hall. Get ready for an unforgettable experience. Tonight promises a spectacular show. Immerse yourself in the magic of this legendary venue. Listen to the crystal clear sound. It's an auditory experience like no other. Prepare to be amazed by the talent on stage. It's a night of breathtaking artistry. Experience the grandeur of this historic building. It's a truly remarkable place. Feel the energy of the crowd. Let the electrifying atmosphere surround you. What we like. It features a live performance from a legendary concert. The exceptional audio quality captures the raw energy of the show. If you value the experience of a live Creedence show, this is the album for you. What people say. The sound has been mixed by Giles Martin and sounds good across this show. The track list is fairly typical from this period and includes a personal favorite, Fortunate Son. And did I mention that this newly remastered multi-channel recording sounds fantastic? This is the real deal, folks. A live rock and roll performance just doesn't get any more exciting than this, nor has the world seen or heard a single more adept practitioner of same than the great John Fogerty. The music was true to the content of Creedence and had the spontaneity of the live concert. Number 4. Chronicle, 20 Greatest Hits. Get ready to experience the best of Chronicle. This collection features 20 of our most beloved tracks, perfectly remastered for your listening pleasure. Relive the magic of your favorite songs. It's a trip down memory lane, filled with unforgettable melodies and rhythms. Each song is a timeless classic, carefully selected to transport you to another time and place. Let the music move you. Experience these iconic tracks like never before. It has been remastered for exceptional clarity and richness. With 20 of the greatest hits, this collection offers something for everyone. It's the ultimate soundtrack to your life. Don't miss out on this incredible collection. Order your copy of Chronicle, 20 Greatest Hits today. What we like. This album is a collection of their most popular songs. It's perfect for those who want a comprehensive overview of their career. If you're looking for a collection of CCR's iconic tracks, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Came quickly and in great condition. I had forgotten how many hits and great songs, not the same thing always. O disco e atomo e chego em perfido estado de conservação, sem nenhum dano a capa ou aos discos. Number 3. Chronicle, 20 Greatest Hits. Get ready to experience the best of Chronicle. This collection features 20 of their most iconic and beloved songs. Relive the magic of Chronicle's greatest hits. It's a trip down memory lane for longtime fans and a great introduction for newcomers. Each song is a masterpiece, showcasing Chronicle's incredible talent and musical range. Prepare to be captivated by these unforgettable melodies. This collection is packed with 20 tracks that defined a generation. It's a must-have for any music lover. Immerse yourself in the world of Chronicle. This compilation offers the ultimate listening experience, from start to finish. Chronicle's 20 Greatest Hits is available now on all major platforms. Don't miss out on this incredible collection. What we like. This album is a collection of their most popular songs. It's perfect for those who want a comprehensive overview of their career. If you're looking for a collection of CCR's iconic tracks, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Came quickly and in great condition. I had forgotten how many hits and great songs, not the same thing always. O disco e atomo e chego em perfido estado de conservação, sem nenhum dano a capa ou aos discos. Number 2. Creedence Revival Best. This collection brings together the greatest hits from Creedence Clearwater Revival. Get ready to experience their iconic sound. Hear the unforgettable rhythm and blues of Proud Mary. It's a timeless classic that will move you. Feel the ominous vibe of Bad Moon Rising. Its haunting melody is instantly recognizable. Experience the raw energy of Fortunate Son. This protest anthem remains as relevant as ever. Let the melancholic beauty of Have You Ever Seen the Rain wash over you. It's a song of reflection and longing. Take a journey with Up Around the Bend. Its adventurous spirit is infectious. What We Like. It's a curated selection of their best-loved songs. It's ideal for those who want a taste of their music. If you are new to CCR and want to explore their music, this is a great starting point. What People Say. Came in great shape and sounds just like I remember them. I saw John Fogerty recently. When he took the stage, it was hit after hit after hit after hit for a solid 2 hours, just like this CD. This is a great CD of the hits one after another on OECD. The only low point found was the song Susie Q and Heard It Through the Grapevine are edited to their shorter version, which for me was sad as they are two of my favorite songs, which I then had to buy the 3-disc version CD of hits to get the long version of those songs. But it is a better version than the original greatest hit CD Chronicles. Number 1. COSMO'S Factory. Get ready to experience the next generation of sound. It's a game changer for music lovers everywhere. It gives you the tools to create and customize your music like never before. Let your imagination run wild. It's incredibly user-friendly. Anyone can use it, regardless of their technical skills. It works perfectly with all your favorite music software and hardware. Enjoy a smooth workflow. Experience pristine, crystal clear audio. It delivers an unparalleled listening experience. The possibilities are truly endless with it. Explore new sounds and push your creative boundaries. What We Like. It showcases their studio recording prowess. It features some of their most recognizable and beloved tracks. If you appreciate the studio production quality and iconic songs, this album is for you. What People Say. A few weeks ago it struck me that I didn't own any Creedence music, and couldn't figure out why. This disc is one of 4 I ordered that day, and I gotta say that these recent re-releases are great quality, excellent sounding, and a very worthwhile investment. This is Deluxe SACD, Super Audio Compact Disc, version of this album. This was a revelation, being an album in the first place, but how good every single song on the album was and still is. This CD, played on a good stereo, did not sound as good as my vinyl album on a cheap record player. Got this and played it on the same CD player and it sounds really good, so if you have a SACD player, even better, I would assume. Bottom line is the album is great, regardless of format. Great studio recording, thoroughly enjoyed listening to this golden oldie. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.